Hey you guys, I welcome you guys back to yet another amazing video. In today's video I'll be making this amazing Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. Now let's get cooking. Now I'm going to add my sausage until it's nicely caramelized for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare my vegetables for my pasta, which are red onions, red bell pepper, and a clove of garlic. Now I'll be sauteing my vegetables in the same skillet that I seared my shrimp and caramelized my sausage. Now you're just gonna saute that for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Now I'm adding a cup of chicken broth and I'm going to let it simmer for a bit, then add my heavy cream. Now I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese and stir it in the sauce. Once that's simmer, I'll be adding my parsley just to give it a bit of color. Then I'll be adding my shrimp and my sausage. Now that that's well blended in, it's time to add our cooked pasta. And we're just gonna heat that through for about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. I'm just going to top that off with some Italian parsley and it's ready to serve. Now guys, I thank you once more for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Like, comment, and share. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.